In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your Pepperstone server. Start by logging into your Pepperstone client area and opening the main dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Accounts or Trading Accounts. This is where your live and demo trading accounts are usually listed. Next, select the specific trading account you want to check. Make sure you choose the correct account if you have more than one. After selecting it, open the account details so you can view the full account information. Inside the account details, look for the field labeled Server. This section shows the server name linked to that trading account. Take note of the exact server name as it appears. This is the server you will need when logging in through your trading platform. If you also want to confirm the server through MetaTrader, open either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, depending on the platform you use. Once the platform is open, go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. This will open the login window for your account. In the login window, find the Server field. This field shows the server selected for your account. If needed, click the server list to view available Pepperstone servers and verify that the correct one is selected. Compare this server name with the one shown in your Pepperstone client area. Make sure both server names match exactly. This is important because using the wrong server can prevent you from logging into your trading account correctly. A quick comparison between the client area and the MetaTrader login window helps confirm that everything is set up properly. If the names match, then you have successfully found your Pepperstone server. If they do not match, return to your account details in the client area and check the assigned server again. Then update the server selection in MetaTrader if necessary. This process is simple and only takes a minute once you know where to look. The main thing is to check your account details in the Pepperstone client area first, and then verify the same server inside MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.